Loomo Personal Robot. The future of mobile robots is being shaped by Loomo. Segway powerful powered transporter that is smooth and self-balancing. Intel RealSense is incorporated into the AI. Auto follow, video capture, touch, and voice control are all capabilities. The fact that it has a fun personality and expression is what's so interesting about this. Over-the-air upgrades and a free Android SDK are also features of Loomo. Loomo can also travel 22 miles with ease on a single charge. The Loomo platform is built for limitless integration opportunities. Loomo actively plots its movement and reacts swiftly to its surroundings by creating high-resolution maps of its physical environment, creating predictive models that forecast the behavior of onlookers, and undertaking ongoing study of its own mechanics. As a result, Loomo can effortlessly track and follow its goal, proceed to a certain location, and avoid any impediments in its way. In order to impress and surprise you, Loomo will constantly upgrade its software and application. For instance, later this summer, a straightforward drag-and-drop interface will be made available, enabling people without programming knowledge to teach Loomo new skills. Eilik. Robotics and technology are developing more quickly than ever to deliver information and improve the efficiency of our lives. But there's a vital component lacking. Eilik, please. Eilik is a novel type of robot that encourages more emotional interactions between people and machines. He's a cute little robot who is a lot of fun. 4 main emotional states, normal, happy, furious, and sad, serve as the foundation for a vast array of internal actions in Eilik. There are many ways to respond to and express each emotion. Touch sensors line the bottom, belly, and head of Eilik. Eilik's sensitivity to vibrations is extraordinary. He will get unsteady if you hit him in the head, and he will become terrified if you slap the table hard enough. Eilik's character is changing as a result of your encounters with him. He will be happier if you love him. He will be more mischievous than usual if you annoy him. Eilik's abilities are constrained. Together, the possibilities are endless. ClicBot Coding Robot Kits. ClicBot creates a social and emotional environment that transforms how both kids and adults learn to code by effortlessly fusing education and entertainment. Building robots is now a creative and enjoyable experience for the whole family thanks to ClicBot. This fun robot toy encourages active exploration, coding through play, and hands-on learning. With more than 1,000 simple-to-build configurations, enjoy experimenting and watching your creations come to life. It has a unique modular design for endless robot configurations and coding fun. Create robots that can roll, walk, and snake around. Choose movement directions to make ClicBot move, or build your robot using the ClicBot app's simple drag-and-drop coding interface, which is based on Google's Blockly. ClicBot is an interactive robot you can customize and is intelligent, expressive, and entertaining. You may create an infinite number of robots, program them to sing, dance, talk, rap, challenge you in video games, and more. You can even construct an astronaut, a spaceship, a race vehicle, or something else. Do it, it's enjoyable. HUENIT, AI camera and modular robot arm. The HUENIT modular robot arm was created to combine robotics, AI, 3D, and laser technology swiftly and easily. You can materialize any concept you can think of using HUENIT. Upgrade to a 5.5 watt or 10 watt laser if you'd like a more potent laser engraving performance. It can engrave stainless steel and cut heavy materials. The laser upgrade method will be revealed later and will be available to all backers at no cost to them. HUENIT functions quickly, precisely, and silently because it has noise reduction built in. Additionally, it has a 750-gram lifting capacity and a 500 mm per second maximum speed. HUENIT supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for simple mobile device connectivity, web-based IoT function creation, or Bluetooth-enabled wireless robot control are both options. The development of the blade cutting module and a 2 to 6 color 3D printed module will depend on the size of the campaign. The HUENIT campaign is gaining supporters daily and is drawing a lot of attention. Before shipping, extra development modules can be acquired. Miko 3 Personal AI Robot for Kids. The most recent Miko robot generation is called Miko 3. Miko 3 differs physically from Miko 2 and has larger touchscreens that make it simple to interact with the robot and read content. It also has stronger rubberized wheels that enable for easier travel on diverse surfaces. With its cutting-edge brain, encouraging demeanor, and a variety of STEAM instructional content, this robot maximizes children's potential. Kids that use Miko regularly report a 55% boost in engagement with the platform's educational features. With its deep learning AI, Miko learns a little bit more about your child each day. This robot can tell jokes and is adept at engaging children. Every month, Miko adds fresh discussions, stories, and songs to keep kids giggling. She is curious, sympathetic, and surprisingly funny. This robot is prepared to go with a wide-angle HD camera and cutting-edge sensors. Miko gets youngsters moving and transforms playtime into a full-on dance party with its AI-infused takes on age-old games like freeze dance and hide and seek. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons.